Hello everyone, this is Day Trader Matt with businesswithtrading.com doing a market recap for Thursday the 2nd of June, and we've definitely started the week off on a bad foot. We need to turn this thing around. James Brown will be very upset with us. We need to get back on our good foot for sure, definitely. It's very important for new traders to experience days like this because it does take a toll on you, and it is very good to build up some mental fortitude. We did have 5 trades for a maximum profit potential of 1 3/4 points or 7 ticks. Commission was a little less than half a point, so it did eat away a little bit, but it's not horrible. It's not the end of the world. We still made a little bit of money, and it's not worth telling anybody about, but I guess I am doing this video, so it is what it is. But anyway, we took our first trade down here, and we were able to exit up a little bit with some profit. Now our next trade, we saw the market go against us, and I don't know what I was thinking. I definitely took a short way too low. The market did go against us. It did stop us out, and then it continued to go lower. So it does happen, even to the best of us. And I know there are a lot better traders than me out there, but just saying, I've been trading for over a decade, and I still get trades wrong from time to time. So it's definitely important to point that out, to show that hey, everybody makes mistakes. It doesn't matter. You could trade for 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. You're still going to make some mistakes, and some of the mistakes are going to seem kind of stupid in hindsight, but it's important. You're always going to make mistakes. It's part of the game. You're going to make mistakes. You're going to have losing trades. People saying they can make money 90% of the time, are snake oil salesmen, because it's not possible. Unless you've put in probably millions and millions of dollars into a trade strategy. But then again, you're still going to lose quite a bit. Even Goldman Sachs, who are probably the best traders on the street, they probably have close to 60-70% win ratio, something like that. So they're not even doing 90% win trades, and I don't know that for a fact, but I would bet money on that they don't have a 90% win ratio. So I'll put my money where my mouth is. But people do get it wrong from time to time, and I just wanted to point that out. I don't want to beat a dead horse, but just to point that out. Now our next trade, we took a short right up here, worked out very well. We were able to take some profit on the way down, and then we watched the market move up, watched it move back down. We did take a long in this area, and the market moved up a little bit and then just ran down and stopped us out. So we watched that happen. Market came down, and then we took a long right here. Very nice entry. We took some profit, and I did mention it in the room because it was at 11.50, so I did mention that I'm taking this, and that I may be holding it after the room closes. I was able to exit some profit right here though. Actually, I exited at 8 even is what I did, so I was able to take 2 points. I didn't know I was going to be able to do that. I did tell them that I wanted to hold it longer term, as because usually in the room we try to be in and out in just a few minutes. Every now and then you'll get into a trade and the market will be choppy, but I did talk about that in the room. I was able to take 2 points, which was definitely a very good trade, and that's why I'm including it in the results, because I was able to take profit. And that's what I told them. If I'm not able to exit in time, I'm not going to include it in the stats of the room, because there has to be an entry and an exit during the room hours to be able to include it. But I'll just go ahead and point that out, since that did happen. So we had 5 trades for a maximum profit potential of 1 3/4 points or 7 ticks. Definitely not the best day we've had. Not the worst day I've had as a trader. So definitely still a good day. I think any day that ends in profit is a good day, and having every day end in profit is very, very difficult to achieve. So I like to tell people look at it on a weekly, maybe a monthly basis, something like that. And you are in competition. It's like you're a Roman gladiator. Every day you come in, it's hard fought battle. Yeah, it is. And the only difference is that you live in the 21st century. You don't have to get bloody and kill somebody, or anything like that. All you're doing is you're basically trading money, and you're fighting a battle that's winnable, but no one has to die in the process. So yeah, it's definitely a lot better than the Roman Colosseum games. But it is a game, and only the strong survive. So it is what it is, but I think it's a lot of fun, and the people in the room enjoy it. We talk about the markets all the time, talk about what we're looking at, and we just enjoy our time. And the website is www.abusinesswithtrading.com. If you want to stop by, check it out. I have a contact form in the upper right hand side of the website. Anyone has any questions, comments, suggestions, don't hesitate to send me out the thoughts on your mind. I enjoy reading things, whether it's positive, negative criticism, whatever it may be. And yes, I did say positive criticism, because there is such a thing. And I know a lot of people don't believe in it, but I do. And you can say things to people that you could mean in a positive way. Maybe you want to tell somebody they're overweight. Well, there's a tactful way to say that. And as long as you mean it in a good way, and you convey it in the nicest way possible, I see that as positive criticism. Somebody tells me that the green text of my website was ugly. Well, I actually agree. I agreed with that, and I changed it. And I was waiting for the logo to be made before I made any drastic changes. And then when I added the logo, it took me about a week to change it. But I definitely appreciate things like that. My voice is too low in the videos, stuff like that. I appreciate that. So, definitely appreciate everybody who has contributed to the site. Again, the website is abusinesswithtrading.com. Stop by, check it out, ask some questions, say hi, introduce yourself. Definitely a lot of fun. If you do enjoy this video you're watching right now, please click the Twitter, Facebook, and like buttons. I would definitely appreciate that. Hope you guys have an awesome rest of your Thursday, and I will see you tomorrow morning in the markets. Thank you.